This is the Zecti camera bag, and you can see here it is here. It's Zecti.com and talks about the stuff on it there. It's a nice looking bag. It's not too big. Here, I'll show you next to me. It's it looks like this. So there, it's got a nice little zipper pouch up front, and I'll open that up here. You see, that's probably a good place to keep papers, or yeah, it's not really padded on the outside, just on the inside. So I may put my light in there, but just facing the inside, because it is padded on the inside. And then it's got all the little compartments here, and it's all adjustable with the Velcro. And you see it's Velcroed on the side here, but you can take that and move it, and I can make a nice long one here, or just whatever shape and size you want. It's got a couple of little side pouches, probably just keep a water bottle in there, and over here as well. And it's got the straps, and they are adjustable. I tried it on for a second, and it was pretty comfortable. So that's the Zecti camera bag. Like it, and I'll be able to even fit my tripod in there, because I got a new nice small tripod.